Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make a simple Guyanese breakfast. First we have some, I don't have all-purpose seasoning, so I'm just going to use my chicken seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, shallots. We have some eggs here, sausage, and some plantain and some milk. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is fry my plantain. Okay, so I have my oil hot in here, so I'm going to put in some of my green plantain to fry up. Alright, and you just stir it a little bit and let it fry. So while my plantain is frying there, I'm going to go and mix up my eggs now. So you're going to put in here a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning. Alright, and you're going to put in some black pepper. And you're going to put some onion powder. And you're going to put some milk. Alright, and then you're just going to mix it up. Beat it up real good. We'll be back. Okay, so my plantain finished frying, so I'm going to put it into a strainer here. If you have paper towel, you put the paper towel in here and then thing, but I don't know where the paper towel is right now, so. Put the plantains now in here. We'll be back. So I'm going to put the second set of plantains inside and let it fry. When the plantain French fry, you just put a little bit of salt on it as well. Alright? So let's go and fry up our eggs now. Okay, so we're going to fry up our egg now. So you're going to put a little bit of oil into your pan. Make sure it's all over. And you're going to put in your shallots. If you want, you can put some grated onions and garlic, but I already used the powder instead. Alright? And then you're going to put in your sausage to fry it as well. Okay, so my sausage has been frying up for about 2 minutes. So we're going to put in the egg mixture now into the pot and let it fry up. Just keep mixing it around like this. Okay guys, so my egg is finished frying up here. So I'm going to plate it now and let you guys see the end result. This is a last minute quick breakfast. Alright guys, as you guys know, I'm not feeling good, but I still wanted to put out a video for you guys, and this is a quick, simple breakfast video. Alright, so let me just plate it and let you guys see the end results. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese breakfast. Fried plantain with some fried sausage and eggs. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, today is Vlogtober day 12. Today is a very simple recipe because you guys know I'm not feeling well, but I still try to put out a video for you guys. So this is my Guyanese breakfast. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and guys, please share my video, please subscribe and support me. Alright, thank you. Stay blessed guys. Bye.